When something goes wrong, time is of the essence, and you and your team need to be able to fix issues before a customer is ever impacted. This means jumping in to see why the issue occurred, what it impacted, and most importantly, finding the root cause. We've been notified that the web portal response time is slow. In this case, we've correlated 9 different alerts that are all related to the web portal having latency problems fetching data from the plan service. We need to figure out why this happened and what was impacted. Now, applying AI and machine learning, we've surfaced the impacted golden signals, in this case latency, as well as related components. These models work out of the box and will continue to get smarter as they train on your usage data. You can also train them yourself using direct feedback here. Here we can go more in depth into which entities, so hosts, containers, applications, are affected. This helps you quickly and accurately assess scope and determine targets for remediation. In this case, it looks like the plan service and the web portal were impacted. But what was the cause? Let's see if we can figure it out by jumping to root cause analysis. Here, possible root causes are surfaced. Let's dig into some of the attributes to investigate. It looks like we have 3 recent warnings around web portal response time. We can also look into violation details as well as entity details. Scrolling down, we can look at the attributes that could be possible causes. These facets have been ranked based on statistical differences before and during the violation. Dropping down, other upstream and downstream signals related to the service experiencing anomalies are identified. We can easily jump to view the entity or query. In this case, let's head back to the root cause analysis. Nothing looks particularly off about error logs, but if it did, you could jump in and see and query all logs here. Okay, let's jump to deployments, a common cause of issues. It looks like there was one right around when this issue occurred that could be our cause. Looks like the deployment to optimize the database query, and then there was a hotfix at 10:31, followed by the team rolling back the query changes, which means that hotfix probably didn't work. But let's dig a bit deeper. Here we can see the response time and throughput, CPU utilization, the AppDeck score, physical memory utilization, error rate, and database. These gray lines, these are the deployments we're looking at. Here the deployment to optimize the database query, the hotfix, and the rollback. Looks like we nailed it at root cause with this issue. It was that first deployment at 10:12. Now, using AI and ML, we've reduced alert noise by correlating these 9 related incidents into one issue, added insight into the impact of the issue with related components, impacted entities, and anomalous signals and related services. And we quickly narrowed down why the issue occurred with automatic classification of correlated issues based on golden signals and highlighted which relevant deployments and intentional changes contributed to the issue. Now, by applying AI and ML, we're helping you get to the root cause of the issue faster, before your customers are ever impacted.